think that just ruined my evening's flying. Ay, ay, ay. I was just filming some takeoffs and landings, and it's quite a heavy crosswind. It's probably close to 20 cross, and blew the tire out. I don't know how I did it. I've got a feeling it's a sharp rock. But now I gotta fix this somehow. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to fix this because I'm alone and I have no way of jacking up the airplane. So there's one of two options. The first one is I've got these CO2 cartridges that I'm going to use, and I'm going to try and quickly and temporarily inflate the tire. I was watching it go down. It was going down fairly slowly, but I might have been sitting on the puncture, so I don't know. But I think I'll have enough time to inflate it and then chock it at the bottom of the axle, and then hopefully be able to pin it high enough. The other alternative is to inflate it and then quickly taxi the airplane onto a chock. And then I might actually have some help. As je druk, je kan hier ook druk, maar je moet hier druk. En dat is die sterkpunt. Niet hier niet, net op die lijn. Ja, dat is die sterkpunt. Het is gewoon allemaal druk. Kijk gewoon. En zum optellen slaan je hem net zo verkeerd. En hij kan nog bijkomen. Ja, dat is net die. Hij kan nog zo 3 centimeter. Oké, 1. Wacht. 1, 2, 3. Baie dankie jongens. Jullie hebben mijn leven gered.
Wat vanaf ons live. Is dat mooi? Ik wil ook net een vanaf ons.
It's tubeless. I probably just de-rimmed it on the landing. It's f***ing tubeless. So this has gone from being a bit of an adventure to just being straight up annoying now. Mainly because this was so preventable. Like, I didn't need to be taking any of this apart. I thought I had a tube in there because I was given a tube as a backup, but turns out it's tubeless, and if I had a tubeless repair kit, I'd be flying right now because it's the easiest thing in the world to fix. And I did find the hole. I plugged it with a rivet. Anyway, I'm stuck here until after dark because that's when I told them to come pick me up. And I really hope that someone out here has a tubeless repair kit, otherwise I am stuck. And those cylinders, CO2 cylinders, are absolutely useless for a tire this big. It's just a waste of time. So I need to find a pump. And that's my challenge for today.